Hello and welcome to Crypto Weeklies. In this video, we are going to discuss Immutable X and its token IMX. None of the content is financial advice. Again, the price right now is at around 65 cents. By market cap, it's ranked number 71st. If you compare the 7-day performance across its major competitors and top cryptos across last two bull runs, Immutable is running the show right now at leading the pack at 7-day performance up by about 18%. Over the last 30 days up by about 10%. Again, not too much of a rally in terms of the last 30%, but again significant rally in terms of last 90 days, 55% up. You can see from the lows of roughly speaking 35 cents now, up to about 65 cents price action. If we were to look at Immutable on the website, again cryptoweeklies.com, link on the bottom, all charts available for free, no subscription needed. And this is again the weekly average price for IMX since November 2021. It was released in the peak of the last bull run, again towards the end of the last bull run in November 2021. Has faced a bear market of 2022, again when the price declined from $8 to 40 cents, so more than 90%, 95% correction to the downside. Then witnessed that March 2024 upturn to where the price was at around $3 or at around $4 at one point. In terms of market cap versus price divergence, you can see that now the market cap is actually higher or close enough to the previous the November 2021 highs in terms of market cap, but the price chart is totally different from the market cap chart. That's because of the total supply not being released all at once, new supply eating out the market cap growth, and that market cap growth not getting reflected back in price. So that is an area of concern, was an area of concern, one should say. Right now, almost 99% of the total supply is in circulation. You can check it out over here if you want to check in number of percent point, how much is it. It's already in circulation. This is Immutable X. Of the 2 billion max supply, 97% of it is in circulation, already in circulation at 1.93 billion. So only 3% of supply to be in circulation. So going forward, the divergence between the price and the market cap chart should be minimal. If you can toggle between it only over the last 1 year, this is the price analysis, again the price chart from highs of $2 now to the lows of 65 cents. So more than 50% reduction in price. In terms of market cap as well, again 3.6 billion to now 1.3 billion. So whatever happens to market cap gets reflected back in price at a much fairer pace now. So again, no significant major token unlocks. That we can see over here. Most of the tokens are already unlocked. All of it would be unlocked per this unlock schedule is sometime towards November of 2025, not to head into the future. So with that tokenomics analysis behind us, the price forecast for IMX in the next 3 months or so, 3.5 months or so, in towards the end of year 2025, between 74 cents and about $1. That's the non-euphoria bull run peak estimate as it stands between the bounds of this yellow line, which is the 68th percentile non-euphoria bull case. The Euphoria case with 2 standard deviation or 95 percentile confidence, with the peak being within the bounds of 76 cents and about $2.05. So as close as the December 2024 rally. And the 3 standard deviation blow off top analysis, if that kind of a blow off top is ahead of us, the 99.7 percentile confidence saying that the bounds of the bull run peak for IMX is within 85 cents for this week. Again, as matures the bear, if the bull market concludes middle of November 2025 at around $3.30, if it gets stretched till December 2025, the euphoria and the blow off top scenario in that environment for IMX is at around forecasted at around $5.60 and all the way to December, end of December at around $7.78. So those are the three scenarios again. As we take a average case of all of these scenarios, the orange line becomes more or more closer to that average of the three scenarios. Max permissible ceiling, if we get extended towards the end of January 2026, is at around $3 roughly speaking. This is the weekly average price. So the actual highs, for example, over here, the weekly average price, let's take this middle March as an example. The weekly average price for that month or that week was $3.27. But if you look at the actual peak for those weekly candles for the week of March 17, 2024, what we can see that the weekly candle bodies over there had a high of about $2.99, almost $3. So $3 over here getting reflected as about $3.27. That means that again, although the weekly candle bodies again as established by the technicals over here has about, so my apologies, the week of the highs were at around $3.75, whereas over here $3.27. So that's the divergence, again 50 cents here, tolerance here or there. So coming back to this $2.85 forecast, again 50 cents tolerance to the either side, mostly towards the bullish side, where the peak could be at around $3.40 or something close to that area. Coming back to the regression based analysis for IMX, the key level to watch is, again, if there is a breakout from the 71 cents resistance, the slope of the regression functions could change. The time weighted average price based risk level is still fairly low. The time weighted average price for IMX is at around $1.42. So if in the next iteration of the bull run, if the price were to rally above the time weighted average price, then the peak could be somewhere close to that. If we draw a lower high from here, somewhere close to over here at slightly under $2, somewhere between $1.75 and $2. All in all, the estimated bull run peak for IMX as it stands with multiple risk-based model is at around $1.10, roughly at around $1. 1.7x from the current price. If we were to look at some of the most area of confluence as it stands to all individual models, the true standard deviation Euphoria case for IMX coming close to between $2.50 and about $3.50. That range becomes more and more key to observe. With that, I would like to conclude. Hope you enjoyed the content. If you did, please give a like and subscribe, and hope to see you again tomorrow. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.